Pangatlo. No good. Okay, last corner. First shot. Short. Second shot. No good. Last shot. Take time. Last shot. 2 out of 9. Next. First shot. Short. Second one. Yes, sir. Last. No, middle. First attempt. Short. Second attempt. Luka Doncic, wala pa rin. Last shot. Basket. 2 out of 6. Last corner tayo. Short. Pangalawa. Too strong. Last shot. Wala. 2 out of 9. Players ready. Second attempt. Short. Last attempt sa corner. Yes, sir. Let's go, Jay. Team Vivo Max, let's go. First shot. No, short. Lakas konti. Second attempt ni Jay. Bang! 2 out of 5. Last attempt dito sa middle. Short! First attempt on the last corner. Bang! 3 out of 7. Second attempt. Bang! We got the first. Oh, last. Sayang. Okay, last. Ready, sir. 3 attempts in this corner. First attempt, patay ang butike. Second attempt, lakas. Mukhang kinakabahan yung bata ko ah. Last shot, bang! Ayan na, nagising ka. Nagising na si Taufik. Good morning. Patay ka diha. Wala. Second attempt by Taufik. Yes sir, 2 out of 5. Last shot. Benga, wala. Last corner. Unsa man dong? First attempt on this corner. Yes sir, 3 out of 7. Hey! Last shot by Mr. Taufik. Bang! 5 out of 9. Sorry. Match between Taufik and Gigantoka. First attempt. Nako, kinabahan. Isa pa. Tatlo. Second attempt by Gigantoka. From way downtown. Wala. Bakit amoy otits dito? Naamoy otits. 1 point. Let's go, Mr. Gigantoka. Ibandila mo yung Team Viva Max. First attempt, kapos. Second attempt. Nako, tabingi daw, sabi ni Mr. J. Last attempt, sir. Pasok na yan. Kapos, nako, nanghina na yata si J. Nanlata yung team bench. Last corner. Let's go, sir. Bang! 1 point. Parehas palang lefty yung naglaban 1 out of 8. Last attempt. Yon! Kapos! 2 out of 9. 2 to beat. Let's go. Taufik, first attempt. Wala.
Why is it like that?
From Cebu, Talisay. Bang! 1 point. Grabe talaga kami ito.
Talisay Masters.
Parang hindi nag-uugas ng pinggan to ah. 1 point. Mukhang kinakabahan. Second attempt sa middle. Last shot, last shot. Pinapasabik lang kayo ni Taufik. Pinapasabik lang kayo. Jay, mukhang ano ah. Ay, ay, ay! Second attempt. Nako! Last shot. Tie again. Okay. Okay, from right corner. Wala. Short. Mukhang kinakabahan na rin yung bata ko sa Team Viva Max ha. Isipin mo pa si Leon. Galit ka kay Leon, di ba? Yan. Shoot mo yan. Oh, sabi ko sa'yo eh. Isipin mo lang si Leon. Yung mukha ni Leon nandun sa basket. Batuin mo ng bola. Eh! Kapos! Okay, si Mr. Taufik. Wait lang, wait lang. Eto, paano ba yung motivation dito?
Video. Sorry.